Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're not receiving a 3D verification code, first you're going to go ahead and wait for a minute and request the code again. Next, check that the phone and email address on the file with 3D are correct. Make sure the caps lock is turned on or off, or if you need them, turn it on or just turn it off. Make sure you are arranging the letters correctly, the numbers are correct, and then open your Gmail, check if you've gotten the code here. If it's not in the spam or socials, then simply check your trash or your spam folder. Sometimes they get stuck in there. Then make sure your phone has a strong signal and can receive text messages. If the code still does not arrive, contact TD support, TD customer support so they can verify your account details and assist further, and that's it. Subscribe for more.